this is coming soon. So when people launch on Product Hunt, they tell their community to come and help support, and they often spend a lot of time telling their community to warm up their accounts, do different actions, try to appear like authentic users. For obvious reasons, I can't comment on what actions to take, but we're going to change all that. So this is coming soon. This is a little preview. It's going to be pretty familiar. So in your settings, you're going to see a new verification section where you enter your email address, you connect with LinkedIn, you confirm your phone number, and then you submit for verification. That's going to show up on your profile, clicking on Mike, our CTO here. And that's also going to show up in comments. And it's going to increase the weight of your votes and also the rank of your comments. So this is going to be like a huge shift in terms of like getting more signal from the community. And I think that the most amazing thing about Product Hunt is it's like this. It's the arena where you get to see what's resonating with the community and get some feedback. So this is a change that's coming, and I just thought I'd give you all a preview of it right now and open it up for any questions. That's all. That's all I have. Yeah.
I'm just curious, is it also $8 subscription per month? Or?
No, it's free.
Okay.
Awesome.